We hear that a lot. Everybody alters their paint, don't they? And if you ask your paint supplier, yeah, everybody does. And it drives them crazy. It never ceases to amaze me how we work so hard with our paint suppliers to create the perfect formulation. It's the right color, it's the right gloss, it has the right adhesion and protection properties. And yet, we bring it in the back door, we take the lid off, we dip in a Zahn cup and we check it, and then immediately start dumping in solvent, changing that carefully crafted formulation forever. And yet, who do we call when it doesn't perform the way we expect? The paint supplier. At St. Clair Systems, we believe there's a better way, and that's to create consistent application conditions so that you can bring your paint in ready to use, and you don't have to make that solvent addition. In fact, you don't even have to make that measurement.